Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 19-inch 5-spoke wheels, a silk beige MB Tex interior with a dark brown linden wood trim, panorama sunroof, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, advanced parking package with Parktronic, hands-free access, a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, navigation, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 9,522 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.